Welcome to another Let's Drink Tea video. Today we're going to unbox this teapot. This is our glass teapot with a steel infuser. It's our best-selling teapot. It's my favorite teapot. If you've seen our post of the best glass teapots with infusers, this is the one we recommend more than any other. And I went ahead and ordered another one because I like it so much, and I also wanted to show you guys exactly what you get when you order one. So it comes in this cardboard box, and you can see it's pretty well packed. It's got a lot of bubble wrap and other paper, which you would hope you would get with a glass teapot. And inside the cardboard box is another smaller box that is, the actual teapot box. Does take a bit to unwrap, but I'd rather spend more time unwrapping a teapot than spend little time unwrapping a bunch of broken glass shards, so I don't mind. Okay, as you can see, it's a fairly small box. That's because I ordered one of the smaller sizes. I mainly just make tea for myself, so the small sizes are for me. I always go with either 600 or 750 milliliters. And there it is. And you can see this is my favorite feature of this teapot. This is something that the old version, which is the one I had previously, did not have. That's another reason I ordered another one. I've got like 10 different teapots. I probably don't need that many, but I don't have one that does this yet. And that is that you can remove the infuser and still close the lid. All the other ones I have, and most of the ones I've seen, if you remove the infuser, the lid won't fit anymore because it fits onto the infuser. Which is fine, I guess, but I just like being able to put the lid on the pot even when the infuser's out. It just keeps the tea warm that much longer. And there you go. That's what you get. I am going to make another video pretty soon that shows me actually making tea with this, so you can get a better idea of just how well it works. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.